Hey guys, hope you're doing amazing. This is Anatoly and you're watching Define Agile, where we talk everything Agile, Agile tools. Today we're going to talk about how to connect Jira and Slack. I'm going to show you the easiest way how to do it. So after that, you won't have any problems. But before we do, three things. Thing number one, if you guys are stuck, you need some custom integration, or you need to set something up, or you don't know how to use Jira, all of it, you can schedule one-on-one with me. So go to description of this video, go to a calendar link, and you can book an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, as many as need with me directly into my calendar. The second thing is, if you guys want to transform your teams and make them agile, make them use Jira on a big scale, go to defineagile.com. There's a form, fill in the form, and let's talk. And finally, if you guys want to learn Jira in about 1 day, go to description. There's a link to my Jira course. You go from a beginner to an advanced. You know things like permission, groups, everything else you need to know. And now let's get to the core of this, how we connect Jira and Slack. So here's my Jira Cloud. I'm going to go to the apps. I'm going to go to explore more apps. This one is very important because if you type Slack, let's say, you get 70 results. Which one to choose? Which one is good? Which one is bad? So it all depends. You might know some good provider. You might work with them, and it's okay. Here is how I would start with. If I don't know if it'd be useful or not, first of all, I click free for all teams to just get the free ones. That's a big hack right there. And then I would look at something like staff pick and something that this is official from Slack, Jira Cloud for Slack. At least says official. It also is cloud security participants. So they have bug bounty. So people who fix bugs, they get paid for it. It's pretty cool. So I would choose that one. I know some of them saying that they're free like this one, but they're not free. It's like free trial. They just try to trick you. Guys, in UAPI, I think, stop tricking people. It's not free. For Slack official, you click on it, and then you can get up. Click get up. Install the Slack from a Slack marketplace. Once installed, Slack and Jira will use. So this one tells you what to do. If you have Slack and you're admin in Slack, you should have a Slack marketplace. So they are saying for this to work, just go to Slack marketplace and it will work. So let's go to a Slack marketplace. It should open your Slack if you're logged in. If you're not logged in, it won't. Here we go. Jira Cloud. It will send something like this. This is how it looks like. You can preview it. If you want to change your Slack, you can change it here as well. I'll use one of my company accounts for test. I'll just say add to Slack. Then it will ask you for a bunch of permissions. Read them. Make sure that you're okay with what they're doing. You can expand and read all of this. And then you click allow. It says let's get connected. Finishing integration with Slack by Jira. Log in with your Atlassian account. So you click login. Once you put everything there, once you log in, you just go to Slack. From there, you can just open your Slack. You go to Jira, and then it says you can create new issue right from here. You can connect a project. You can get notified about your work. You can manage your notifications. So you can do a whole bunch of things here for yourself. So let's say you want to connect a project. You go down. It gives you a bunch of ways to do it. You put your site, you put your board. Let's say you want to do Define Agile Kanban test. And then where do you want it to go? I recommend you create a channel for this. So just add a channel where all your Jira goes. Or per project, like if you have project, let's say your project is called Define Agile Test. Then you'll create a Define Agile Test Slack channel, or maybe Define Agile Test-Jira, so people don't see all of those Jira notifications all the time. They can only go to Jira. Or if you want to boot it right away, but make sure that you filter things properly, because if you're creating a lot of tickets, if you're doing a bunch of stuff, then everybody will see it and it can create a little bit messy. So you created a channel, you go back, click on messages, and then you connect this one with your Jira channel. Click connect. You have connected Define Agile Kanban to Jira. Here we go. Now you can manage. You'll manage notifications. Click manage. Here we go. And you can do a bunch of things. It allows you to use JQL, which is amazing. You can create some filter. What do you want to do? Is it task or something else? What's the priority? Or you switch to JQL and just do a custom filter, which is very, very cool. And let's say right now, only when issue is created, you'll get notification. Other than that, you're getting a notification. We can get really into this maybe in some more advanced videos. Just put in the comments what you want to see and we can get into it, but right now it's good enough for me. So just save changes and let's test it. Let's go to my project. Let's create a new one. So it says issue added to a backlog. We go to backlog, make sure it's there. Slack test, we added it. Let's go to Slack, check it out. Anatoly created a story. This is a story, priority, story, unassigned, medium. So this is a way for you guys to connect Jira to Slack quickly. I hope it helps. It should take you a couple minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and you are good to go. And then if you guys want to see more advanced videos on how to do some cool stuff with that, we can go for that as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because this is how we can bring it to more people. Talk to you later. Bye bye.